Selecting a row of pandas series / dataframe by integer index. I am curious as to why df2 is not supported, while df.92 and df2 column 3 both work. I would expect df2 to work the same way as df2 column 3 to be consistent with Python indexing convention. Is there a design reason for not supporting indexing row by single integer?
Echoing at Hyrie, see the new docs in 0.11. This URL. Here we have new operators, .illic to explicitly support only integer indexing, and .log to explicitly support only label indexing. For example, imagine this scenario. Slices the rows by label location only.
The primary purpose of the dataframe indexing operator is to select columns. When the indexing operator is passed a string or integer, it attempts to find a column with that particular name and return it as a series. So, in the question above, df2 searches for a column name matching the integer value 2. This column does not exist and a key error is raised. The dataframe indexing operator completely changes behavior to select rows when slice notation is used. Strangely, when given a slice, the dataframe indexing operator selects rows and can do so by integer location or by index label. This will slice beginning from the row with integer location 2 up to 3, exclusive of the last element. So, just a single row. The following selects rows beginning at integer location 6 up to but not including 20 by every third row. You can also use slices consisting of string labels if your dataframe index has strings in it. For more details, see this solution on illic versus lock. I almost never use this slice notation with the indexing operator as it's not explicit and hardly ever used. When slicing by rows, stick with .log/.illic.
You can think dataframe as addictive series. df key, try to select the column index by key and returns a series object. However, slicing inside of slices the rows, because it's a very common operation. You can read the document for detail. This URL.
To index-based access to the pandas table, one can also consider numpy.as_array option to convert the table to numpy array as. And then? Would work?
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.